Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the sheet and taking one immediate precaution. Save a backup copy so you can undo mass changes. Once done, select the exact range or entire columns that contain entries to check for duplicates. Avoid blank columns. Make sure headers are present and enable the filter button so you can visually inspect groups. Then, move to the Data tab and focus on the Remove Duplicates and Conditional Formatting options. These are your primary tools to locate repeats. You now identify duplicates. First, try Conditional Formatting, duplicate values, to get immediate highlights. This shows you where repeats live without removing anything. If you need to act, use Remove Duplicates from the Data tab and explicitly check only the columns that define a true duplicate. Uncheck irrelevant fields to avoid false matches. For compound key detection, create a helper column that concatenates fields with a separator. Then run conditional formatting or remove duplicates against that helper. So you finish by cleaning and verifying. Review highlighted or deleted rows and keep one canonical record per group. Once done, consider using Advanced Filter to copy unique records to a new sheet or apply COUNTIFS to quantify occurrences for auditing. Make sure to remove the helper column only after verification. If things go wrong, like unexpected deletions, stop immediately, restore your backup, and reevaluate the selected columns and helper formulas. Most problems stem from including the wrong fields in comparison.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.